our first day or our first night here at Pigeon Forge. We got here at about 4 o'clock this afternoon. We made the trip from Florida. Well, we made halfway today. We started out yesterday and we went from Gainesville to Atlanta. We met up with some friends for dinner, and then we went today from Atlanta to Pigeon Forge, and we spent about half our day checking into the hotel, driving through the Smoky Mountains. We got some dinner, and it was a lot of fun, but I am getting ready for bed. I just showered. Tomorrow we have a busy day at Dollywood. We're actually going to be going to Dollywood for 2 days, so I'm bringing you with me for all of that. Plus we're going to be doing other things around the Pigeon Forge area. We've only been to Dollywood once, so it'll be a lot of seeing new things for us too. We took our kids last time we were here about 2 years ago, but they don't remember anything, so it's going to be all brand new for them. I have a bunch of different outfits planned. We plan to go as well outside of Dollywood to the Apple Barn. We might see a show. We're going to go to the island where there's lots of shopping, possibly go to Paula Deen's. So we just have a lot of stuff planned for you that I'm really excited about. But today's vlog is going to be very short. It's just going to be a little bit of our drive through the Smoky Mountains. It rained for some of it, but it was really gorgeous to see all the fog coming up through the mountains. We went through a bunch of tunnels. We saw a lot of creeks. People were stopping to take photos. It was really, really a beautiful drive here from Atlanta. The mountains were beautiful, so we were thinking about possibly going back up there to take some pictures, do some videos, or just enjoy it. I would love to see a waterfall, so we might look up where we can find one of those. We are not too much of outdoorsy people outside of theme parks, but the Smoky Mountains are gorgeous enough that I think we would have a great time. We're also going to go to Gatlinburg, downtown there. So hopefully do some old time photos. We did some when the kids were younger, but I think we're gonna go ahead and do it again while they're a little bit older. Then we also went tonight after we checked into the hotel. We're staying right in Pigeon Forge at a Hampton Inn. It is really, really nice. It's just a simple room. I'm gonna show you the room tour on here as well. We went to the pool, we went to the Local Goat, which is a local restaurant that people love. We went there last time, we came to Pigeon Forge, so we decided to go again tonight. It was pretty good again. My husband got a burger that was really, really good. Our salads that we ordered for appetizers were delicious. So we did that. We checked into the hotel. We went to the Local Goat. We went to the Chocolate Monkey, which is a candy store. They have candy apples and fudge and all of that. So I'll show you a bit of that. And then we came back and we went to the pool. We went in the jacuzzi for a little over an hour. And I just came up, I took a shower, and I am getting stuff ready for Dollywood. So that is day one of us here at Pigeon Forge. So I hope you enjoy the little video and follow along with us as we go the next couple of days. Thanks for being here. It is a double bedroom. Here we go. So as you can see, it's not very large, but it is clean, does the trick, and there's a lot of hidden storage around the room. Let's start in the bathroom. So you have a blow dryer on the wall. It looks like a really nice one, so I love that. Single sink, and then there's a shelf on the bottom where I keep all my toiletries, makeup, and whatnot. So I really like that. They did give you some, looks like facial soap, makeup remover, shampoo, body lotion, and conditioner. It also says on the mirror that housekeeping is by request unless you're here for 5 days. Then you just have a normal toilet bowl. And this is the shelf situation, but if you wanted to use it for storage, you could take the towels out and put your toiletries in there like we did. Another thing I like about this room is that it actually has a bathtub. It's hard to find rooms now that have bathtubs, and I really like it to give the kids a bath. So, and then we have the option to shower if we want to. So this is really nice and it's very clean. Nothing fancy, guys, but this is perfect for a family. And then you have the big body mirror. I love those. And then actually on this side, you have another body mirror as well, but this one is a closet. So lots of storage space. I'm in my bathing suit, just got back from the pool. Here is the closet. It has my dresses in it. There is also an iron in here. And then just some storage space all the way down. I don't know if there's a safe in there, but there is a shelf on the top there. And then there's 2 beds in this room. So I believe that they're fulls or queens. The wall is a really pretty color, green and yellow. You can't really see it right now. But the beds look nice and comfortable. There is not storage underneath them. They're just on a frame there. And then this is the second bed. This is the TV situation. It's nice and big. There is a microwave, some more drawers down here, a little mini fridge as well, which I love for the kids, and to just reheat it some food or some bottles. So I love that. And then there are 3 drawers in the middle of the beds here. So I put my clothes in there. There are not USB chargers in the room. They look just like normal plugs inside the lamps here. Alarm clock, which is pretty standard, right? This is the second bed here. And then over where my daughter's sitting, there is an additional chair for seating space. And then there's a really nice desk area here. The chair actually moves around. You do have your phone, coffee machine, ice, condiments, and coffee. And then there is another plug on the lamp here, and there's plugs over here. This is the air conditioning unit. So as you can see, it's not like a very modern room, but it is spotless, it is clean, it is remodeled. So, and then the best part during the day, you can't really see it right now, is we have a view of the mountains. It was really gorgeous during sunset, and we're really close to the island and other areas around Pigeon Forge. So let's just take a look at the room from another angle here. Not big, it is just 1 bedroom with the bathroom, but you know, it does the trick. And the pool downstairs was really nice. Has a kids area. So this is perfect. It's clean, it was not expensive, and we're gonna have a great time. So this is the Hampton Inn in Pigeon Forge. So we are here at the Logo Goat. When we come to Pigeon Forge, we always come here. It is very sought after. It is a must do when you're here in Pigeon Forge. The food is really good. It's amazing. Anybody who lives around here will tell you to come here. So this is where we're having dinner tonight. Yay! lifesaver. You like it, Joe? Sit down before it drops. Yum. Cotton candy's good.
Candy's good with popsicles.
Yeah? You like the cotton candy popsicles?
Yeah, mixing it like do it.
You making soup?
Yeah, with freaking a colorful. Yeah, I'm gonna make something. Pink is making pink. Make it pink. Mine making. Mine blue and red make pink and blue.
Okay. Whee! It's Moo, you driving the truck?
Yeah.
Whee!
My
Steer
daddy,
that.
look at me.
Say beep beep.
Beep beep.
Yay!
Yay.
That's the chocolate monkey you're with. Steer that banana. Steer that banana. Steer the banana.
Go in, Mom. Go in. Go in.
Good, calm.
Just go in. I know how to do it.
Good job.
I know how to do it. But we didn't know about water. That's why we got it.
Thank you.